welcome to Northern Strain Style. And today we're talking about the keitech Model 1 jig. And imagine that, I got it rigged on a keitech Fat Swing Impact 4.3 inch boottail swimbait trailer. And if you've seen some videos, man, I love this combination. And man, this is a really popular jig with a lot of like the tournament pros and stuff. And for whatever reason, I've just never had that much luck with flipping cover with it or skipping docks. And it's probably just me. It's definitely just me. But yeah, had some luck on it this fall, dragging it around the deep structure. And, you know, it's more of a compact jig. It's got that tungsten head and nice heavy gauge hook for it on it. So yeah, man, that's a fatty there. So yeah, like in the fall time, I'll go through a few different trailers, you know, from like a craw trailer to even like a menace grub, just to see what they're really keyed in on. And man, once you get keyed in on it, man, it's on like Donkey Kong. And that's like the same thing too. Like if you get on a boottail swimbait bite, you know, try throwing a boottail on a jig or the underspin or a spinner bait, you know, just try a bunch of different variations to see if it helps the bite or even hurts it. So you know what the fish are really keyed in on. But yeah, this fall was just an epic boottail bite. I could have put it on anything and they were gonna smack it. But yeah, I like it how it's got that black painted head with the black skirt. Nice weed guard on it. And I did a video of, they just came out with a heavier duty version one, because this one only went, I think it was like 3/4 and a half ounce worth of size. Maybe they did a quarter, but now they came out with a 3/4 in an ounce. And man, it's a big old jig, and it definitely gets through that cover. Yep, good old jig. Just dragging it, hopping it. Looks great on that underwater footage. Of course, I got it on that 7.5 Elliott medium heavy. 16-pound floral Daiwa reel. Overcast conditions, a darker color lure seems to be the go-to. Yep. That was a big thing for me this year. If I got bit, I was leaving that bait down there when I missed it, you know. And it was surprising how many times they came back for it or another one grabbed it. Well, feller's going to be dizzy going back in the water after all them spins. But yep, good old jig. Check it out. Definitely check out putting a boot tail on a jig if you've never tried it. I also use that for flipping too. Like when later in the flipping season, you know, after they've seen a million craws and beaver tails, hit them with that boot tail in there. And that's the episode, guys. Thanks for watching.